Yongjian Pipe Machine Mold, the mission of stainless steel pipe mill. In the process of stainless steel tube, it often produces the defects such as pulling, wrinkling, fingernail lines, fish scales, round tubes, and square tubes. For years, these flaws have dogged the industry. It is also the hardest problem to overcome in mold industry. After years of research and practice, Yongjian has finally produced the Yongjian brand high-quality mechanical mold, which solves these problems and brings good news to the people in the industry. Special recommendation: 201 plate hardness is high. According to the present market phenomenon, round pipe after polishing, wing nut after more than half a year of careful research. Produce the forever strong mold to eliminate the phenomenon of this kind. Brought the gospel to our 201 users. Yongjian mold, more reasonable shaping principles, supernormal molding surface hardness. Therefore, it not only solves the defects in the pipe, but also increases its lifetime by many times. Yongjian mold material CR12MOV hardness can reach 61 to 63 HRC. Yongjian, the pipe mill, is designed with double straight frame, and the square pipe cannot be pulled, and the tube surface is flat. The previous section is equipped with special thin device. The thinness can be welded to 0.15. The yield can reach over 98%. With the scientific, rigorous, and innovative way of working, Yongjian adheres to the enterprise philosophy of winning by skill and striving for excellence, and keeps forging ahead. Now, we are developing the production equipment of stainless steel compound pipe and the production line of chemical and medicine pipe. Yongjian will make greater contribution to the development and prosperity of stainless steel industry. With first-class products and first-class service, we warmly welcome all people from all walks of life to join us to create a better future. Company address: Number 22nd, Building, 5th Zone, C, Liyuan Metal Logistics Mall, Chunsun Town, Shunde District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province.